What's going on, guys? We're going to do a quick video using the Armor All ceramic products to see if they really work. Not sponsored, paid for with my own money. So this will be a truly independent review of the Armor All with ceramic. We're going to be using this on my 21 Ram 2500. The wheels and tires on this thing, as you can see, are very dirty, and they stay dirty all the time. This truck rarely gets washed, and I thought this would be a good chance to try to clean these up, get these white letters cleaned up a little bit. And, let's test that ceramic on these. I've got some ceramic wheel cleaner, and I've got the ceramic tire shine. And as I said, paid for out of my own money. And I think what we're going to do is this will be a 2-week long video for me. We're going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up and shined up for you in this video. And then we'll come back in a week, and we'll see how it looks in 1 week with no washing. Then we'll come back and see how it looks in week 2 with no washing. All right, so I'm not going to do this whole thing in front of you. There's no reason to bore you with it. But I do have the ceramic wheel cleaner. We'll go ahead and use that. Oops, I'm going to break it. This is my tire cleaner. This gets the white letters really white. And then I've got the ceramic tire coating with dirt repelling technology. Couple brushes. The stiff one is for my tires. The soft one is for my wheels. And, well, it don't get much simpler than this. I guess we'll just take this ceramic, no, wrong one. We'll take this ceramic wheel cleaner. We'll go ahead and just apply it liberally. Get on the brake caliper and everything there as well. And step one is to let it sit there and do its thing for a minute. We'll wet this brush up, and then we'll hit it, clean the brake dust off, and then we'll clean the tire. All right, pretty simple. Just get your brush in all the nooks and crannies. Make sure you get down in there real good. Get all your spokes, and then you get down on the inside here, and then you'll rinse it off. It's already looking better. We just started. Next, I'm going to spray my bleach white liberally on the tire, especially in the white wall area or the white letter area. And we'll scrub this. This is covered in brake dust. This ought to be real nasty to clean. So you can see how dirty this is. Look at that. Just get the brush on it. Start cleaning it. Look at this. Oh, it's already looking a ton better. We'll clean the whole tire. Oh man, it's gonna look nice. Next, just rinse it off. Oh yeah. Look at all that. Look how beautiful that looks now. Make sure you get all that off the wheel. And take a look at the wheel. The ceramic is already working, and we haven't even set it in yet. That's just from the cleaning. Look at that. Look how good that works. Amazing. All right, now that we got the tires all cleaned up and we've cleaned up the wheels, look how good that looks. We're gonna go ahead and just spray this liberally on the wheel here, guys. Just like this, all over. Get it all over. We're gonna let it sit for about 60 seconds, spray it off with the water hose, and the ceramic setting will be done. Then we can hit it with the tire shine. All right, time to go ahead and just spray her down, spray it off. Go ahead and get a little pressure there. Make sure we get all the little nooks and crannies. Get that stuff off of there. And she should be good to go. Come over here. This side is sitting as well. Go ahead and spray this off. We'll come back here in just a minute when this is dry, and we will do our tire coating and see what that looks like. Now it's time to try the Armor All ceramic tire coating. As you can see, the wheels came out pretty nice. We're just going to kind of dress the tire with this coating here. And hopefully she comes out looking good. Let's see. Well, there it is, guys. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes, and that's how long you're supposed to let it sit before you go get any drips and stuff off with a rag. Don't forget, it really needs to set for an hour before you drive it and 24 hours to become hydrophobic. That's it. I think it came out looking great, but the test is, will it last? How long will it last? We're going to come back in a week, then we'll come back in 2 weeks in this same video to see how this stuff is held up without washing the truck. Also worth mentioning, I did these tires too, okay? Not these. This is what they look like before, and this is what it looks like after the ceramic coating from the Armor All tire coating. Big difference, right? Big difference between that tire. That one almost looks like it's new again versus these old tires right here. Okay, only time's gonna tell. Let's come back in a week and then 2, see what these things look like. All right, we're back. It's been a week, and we came back down to AAR headquarters to pick up some of our Halloween stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is crazy because it has just rained. We've driven through mud and muck on the way here. Look how shiny that still is. It's a little cloudy because, like I said, it did just rain. You can actually see the dirt. Look how wet the ground is there. Look at this. I mean, you can see some of the mud and stuff we've splashed through right here. Wow. A little bit of dirt stuck to the side of the tire, but aside from that, not bad. The truck is obviously getting dirty. You can see we've got dirt all over it. The truck needs a bath, but we got 1 more week to go, guys, so I'm not gonna wash it until we've gotten through this next week. Week 1, we got 1 more week to go. All right, we're back. It's actually been over 2 weeks. I went a little longer than I'd like to not washing my truck. I feel real bad because my truck is looking pretty bad. Let's get her zoomed in a little bit. She's bad, guys, and I have put a lot of miles on her in the last couple of weeks. So this is a lot of brake dust from hauling. I haul a lot of cars and it requires a lot of brake power. So this is what it looks like. All right, now we're gonna take it and just wash it off to get a better idea of what it looks like once it's clean. I'm not going to put any tire shine or anything on it at all. I'm simply going to take it to the car wash and wash it, and we'll see what the wheels and tires look like without scrubbing. No scrubbing at all. Just going to wash it off, and we'll see what she looks like when we're done. All right, she just got out of the car wash. I haven't put any tire shine or anything on it at all. I gotta admit, man, they look really good. They look really, really, really good, considering this was 2 weeks of pretty heavy use, even for this truck. I've hauled a lot of cars, moved a lot of stuff around this week. I didn't expect them to look that good. I didn't. Look at that. So if anyone asks me, like, does it work? Yeah, I'm gonna say it works. I'm gonna say it works. Take a look at them. Wow. Okay. Hey, if you guys are interested, I'm going to put a link to it down below, to the tire shine and to the wheel cleaner, both with ceramic. Link down below. Go check it out.